welcome to Mishti's Canvas. So today we are at shopping places. So I will just show you around. We have come here to in Best Buy, Marshalls, and I will show you inside also what they have. So come with me.
Today we have come here to check what is there in Marshalls, and also I'm searching for a shampoo. If I get it, I will buy, or else I can buy it from nearby store, Walmart or Target. So let's see.
So I have come here to search for some good shampoo. I'm having a lot of hair fall. Yeah, so let's see what I get here. So they have all bath and body the side. This is a beauty section. So I'm choosing from here. Let me check. I don't want to take anything that has ammonia or sulfite, like paraben. So something which is mostly with like coconut oil or something. Let me see. So I will show you everything.
Look here, I found Himalaya toothpaste. Usually this is the brand I have been using for more than a decade. This toothpaste is really good. I use the Complete Care, and touch it till now I don't have any toothache or teeth problem. Okay, so I forgot to tell you, I didn't find any shampoo there, so maybe I can take it from Walmart. I'm confused by seeing here all the products. I'm showing you around. So this is the Best Buy. We are going inside. So we have come here to search for a color printer, the basic one. So just as I have come here, I'm just showing you around. I will show you the products and the name and some prices. Though I don't have a knowledge more about these electronic products, but still, as I've come here just to show you all how is the price here in US, you will have an idea. So I'm just showing you around, so you can see the products and the prices. I will be not mentioning everything, but I will just show you around. You can guess it well. So these are all the printers and the scanners and everything. We are just searching, and if we don't get that here, then maybe we have to order and it will come home. So sometimes they don't keep the products in the store, so for that reason we need to book here in the store and the product will come home. So these are few televisions. You can see here different brands are there, and some are really large in size, like the big screen televisions. So you can see the prices. These are, some are LG, Sony. So as I visited the store Best Buy, I just thought to do a short video to show y'all. So you can see here the brands and the prices mentioned here. You can have an idea of like how's the prices here. So I will also show you a few products like the iPhones, and usually prefer to buy all the electronic goods from Best Buy because of the price. The price is very reasonable, and generally they give a good deal at the time of Thanksgiving. Uh, so most of the people, they prefer to buy electronic products from Best Buy. So these were few products I just thought to show you all around to have a fair idea about it. And that's all about today's blog. Keep watching Mysteries Canvas for new blog each time. Before leaving, please subscribe my channel and do like and comment, as it will motivate me to do more videos. I hope you like this vlog. Thank you. Thank you so much.